What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do some plank exercises together. We're really going to tone up that midsection and get your core nice and strong. Go ahead and follow along. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more workout videos, and let's get started. First planking exercise, we are going to do a one-legged plank. If that's too hard for you, do a two-legged plank. So what you're going to do is you're going to get in the plank position just like this, and you're just going to take one foot off the ground. And we're gonna do this 3 sets by 17. Like I said, if one leg is way too hard, just go ahead and put both feet down. Remember to tuck in your butt a little bit. Not like this, but more like this. Kind of like you're squeezing your butt in, but you're not actually squeezing. There's no tension. Don't forget to give yourselves a 30-second break between workouts. I'm getting into set 2, 17. This next exercise is called a plank jack, and I'm gonna just switch it up a little bit because a lot of them are down on the lower hands. This one's on the upper hand, so it's kind of gonna give your arms a little bit of a break. So let's do 3 sets of 10. These are called plank jacks, and what you want to do is, I'm just gonna slightly get off my mat because this mat honestly is kind of falling apart. So now what you want to do is you just want to do like a jumping jack, but holding your body up. So we're going to do 3 sets of 10 like this. You're really gonna feel this exercise on the back of your arms and definitely in your core. So go ahead and take your 30-second break, and then we're gonna get into set 2. We're just doing 3 sets of all of these exercises, so it's totally doable. next we're gonna do a plank raise, and these ones, we're gonna do 3 sets of 12. And what you wanna do is go down like a regular plank, and you're gonna lift the opposite sides of your body, like this, back down, back down. If that's too hard for you, I recommend just doing an arm. Take a little break while I show you guys the technique for this next exercise. So these are called the advanced side planks. We're gonna do 3 sets of 15. And what you wanna do is, you wanna plank upward again, but we're gonna raise one arm. And then we're gonna go other arm, just like that. And we're gonna do 3 sets of 15. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start your first set. Go ahead and rest for 30 seconds and then start set 2. Take another 30-second break and then get into our last set for the day. Good job, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed these 4 core exercises. Having a strong core is really gonna help you with good posture. It's also gonna really help your back if you have back pain from sitting a lot. A lot of us sit a lot, especially now that we're at home, quarantining, working from home, having an office job. Basically, sitting in general, it's really gonna help with that strong core, strong back, strong posture. It's a good look overall. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.